When I was just a boy, my father helped me develop my passion for the outdoors. That passion quickly turned to an obsession. Hey guys and gals, welcome to another episode of Adventures Afield. I am your host, Eric Henderson. On this episode, we're going back in time from several years ago to some footage I filmed in West Texas where we went coyote hunting with my Quackenbush 457 Destroyer. This is made by Dennis Quackenbush. It is a 457 caliber and it is a 4-pound dump gun. It dumps all the air in one shot. This is a one of one and it's highly customized. It's got a customized stock. It's got a 3-leaf express sight. This is not drilled and tapped for a scope mount, so this doesn't use a scope at all. But I tell you what, offhand at 100 yards, I would have no trouble killing a coyote. This is an amazingly accurate gun, especially with round ball. It puts out up to 300 foot-pounds of energy with a heavier slug, like a 250 grain. But this thing is very powerful and very accurate for what it is. I hope you enjoy the footage. Got him. Keep going. Keep going. Sweet. It's my first coyote in 3 years. The male?
The male? Yeah.
That first shot dropped him right on the spot, but he was still kicking around. I have no idea where I hit him. There's a lot of thick brush in the way. I don't know if you can see it on video. That's a medium size.
Yeah,
medium sized coyote. 35-yard shot using the Quackenbush 457 Destroyer. Shooting the 370 grain hollow points.
Does the job. Does the job.
So what do you think of the air guns?
Oh, it's incredible. I've never seen something with such takedown power.